The whole mechanism of this reaction is going to be a bit like. Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss about the next reaction of this alkyl halide preparation. We were discussing regarding how we can prepare these alkyl halide from alkene. So in the previous lecture we have discussed how we can prepare from this through a electrophilic addition reaction. We have discussed in the previous lecture, in which we have discussed a bit regarding detail about the Markovnikov rule, why we are adding, how we are adding this HX part on this alkene part. And today we are going to discuss a new concept, that is addition of this alkene with HX in the free radical mechanism. How this reaction is proceeding. So first, if we are having this alkene, this is our alkene, and we are reacting with it HX in presence of peroxide. In presence of a peroxide, so what is going to happen over here? We will see this bond will break, homolytic cleavage will be there, and this we are going to get a product like this. Sorry. One side hydrogen and another side halogen. But how the same question arises, what will be this management of this X and H, where we are going to add this H, where we are going to add this X, and is there any possibilities that all these HX will be doing a similar type of reaction in the presence of peroxide, or they are going to behave differently in the presence of this peroxide? That we are going to discuss in this today's lecture. So the first thing is that this is going to be in the presence of a peroxide. This type of mechanism which I am going to discuss will be in the presence of peroxide. The whole mechanism of this reaction, is going to be a bit like we are using a peroxide. So which means there is going to be a peroxide bond, which means oxygen-oxygen bond. And we know it is a very, very weak bond, and it will break down like this. This RO bond is going to break down like this. And what will happen? You know, we are already having this HX. And in this reaction, the main HX which we are going to use is only HBr, which is going to play a major role, not all other HCl, HI and HF. And I will discuss that point also, why all other HI,